Hello guys, welcome to Digital Tech Student. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to reset or remove BIOS password of your computer. Just in case maybe you might have forgotten it, or maybe you bought the computer second hand and then you found out that there is a BIOS code which you don't know. So all you have to do is just input the code 3 times wrongly, and it's going to ask you for unlock key, as you can see from here. So it's asking for unlock password, then you hit enter. It's going to provide you with these keys right here. It's either 10 digit or 8 digit. So you copy it on a piece of paper and then you visit this website right here, biosbug.com, as you can see, biosbug.com. So after opening biosbug.com, you hover to this site, the top right hand corner, and then you select the make of your device. In this case is the Acer, and the number of the codes are 10. So you paste these codes. There are 10, so you paste them right here and then you tap on or click on send request. So it's going to generate the unlock code for you. You wait for a few seconds. So this right here is my unlock code. So you paste it right here, or you just type it in and then boom,